Hello everyone, my name is Huang Wei. Today I'm going to share something about 2.3 converting between bases. First of all, because binary numbers are the basis for all data, therefore binary numbering system is very important. However, it's not the only numbering system we use. Therefore, we need to learn how to convert between bases. What is basis, you might ask? Bases are power of what? For example, powers of 2 are binary bases. How to convert? For example, we are going to convert this decimal number 190 to base 3. First, we know that 3 powers 5 equal 243. So our result will be less than 6 digits wide. The largest power of 3 what we need is therefore 3 power 4 equal to 81. And 81 times 2 equal 162. Write down the 2 and subtract 162 from 190, giving 28. We subtract our given decimal number with 3's power. And we'll get, and after that, we are doing the same thing again and again until there's nothing left. Finally, we can find all the things in the right and write it down. It is the answer. Another method of converting integers from decimal to some other radix use division, like this. 190 to base 3. First, we divide 3, then we divide 3, again and again, until here's all. After that, we go here and write down, from downward to upward, 21001. 21001. And fraction values can be approximated in all basis systems. The quantity 1 over 2 is exactly representable in the binary and decimal systems, but it's not in the ternary numbering system. Fractional decimal values have non-zero digits to the right of the decimal points. Numeral to the right of the radix point represent negative power of the radix. It means if it's in the right, it got the negative power 1, negative power 2. And the base is here, 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 here. As with whole number conversions, you can use either two methods, subtraction method or multiplication method. Subtraction method for fraction is identical to the subtraction method for whole numbers. Instead of subtracting positive number of the target radix, we subtract negative powers of the radix. We always start with the largest value first, n power negative 1, where n is our radix, and work our way along using the larger negative exponents. The calculation is here. Let's take a look. 0.8125 minus 0.5, because it's 2 powers negative 1, means it's 1 over 2, so it's 0.5. And after the subtraction, it is 0.3125 minus 1 over 4 is 0.2500, so it's 0.0625. The same thing goes on. In the end, it will become 0, and we got our answer, 0.1101. The important thing is, unlike the dividing we talked about before, it is not going from downward to upward. It's going up to down, 0.1101. Use this. You can convert anything to your own basis.